hominy corn porridge, just like how mama used to make it. Let me show you how to do it. So I'm gonna start off with my pressure cooker, okay? Add in some water, hominy corn, salt, cinnamon stick, cinnamon leaf, nutmeg mace, orange peel. If you got the time, you don't have to pressure it. You can soak it overnight and just boil it. Boil it until the corns are tender, okay? You want to pressure this for at least 15 to 20 minutes. You want the corn to be soft, okay? See, the peas are soft. You don't want them to be too mushy, but you want them to be tender, soft. Coconut milk. Half cup of water with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix well. Okay. Add this to the pot. And you want to pour and mix at the same time, okay? And then you're gonna start to feel that it's thickened up. I get some body now, see? Evaporated milk. Cover and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Vanilla, almond spice, nutmeg, smells so good. Now add your sweetener and sweeten to taste, okay? I use Sweeten condensed milk. Make a plate this up. Come on, the queen of hominy corn porridge.
Yay.
Oh, we're gonna give them some.
Oh. Not take some.
Come over.
Not too much because I love it.
Put it back.
Oh.
You said not too much because you love it. Alright, now we're gonna do the taste test.
Yeah.
You go first.
Okay, I'm gonna go first.
And I'll tell the truth.
I love it. It's just such a good porridge to me. I love the bumpiness and I love the corn in it.
The texture?
It's so good.
And you see, I take the bigger bowl. My goodness. Alright, I'm gonna try it now. It's good, but it's not my favorite. Oh, you'll love it. So how much would you give it?
10 out of 10. I know that answer.
Alright, go with your bow. The recipe will be on my blog, and I'm also going to leave it down in the comments or the description box. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.